Alex the Slipped Out Gymnast, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to do 2 more advanced silk drops. They're called the Hock drop and the Scorpio drop. Let's get into it. Before we get started, you're going to need to make sure that you're very safe. Make sure that you have something soft under you, like a mat or a carpet. And make sure that your silks are stable enough that if you get into them, they won't fall down. And that they're very stable. Starting off with the Hock drop. For this drop, you're going to want your knot a bit higher when you actually do it, but you can practice with it lower. What you're going to do is you're going to go into the jetpack drop, which I have a video on how to do that. Invert, hook, and get up into this position. Then you're going to take your left hand and bring it in front of the right silk, and your right hand behind to the left silk, and you're going to pull it, and then you're going to have a cross. Then you're going to bring your legs together and get them between the silks. So you'll be inside of the cross and will be up to your side. Hold your legs straight, point your toes, and you're going to reach down, and then you're going to bring your legs up and fall straight down. For this, you can have a spotter. Yeah, I'll show you how to do it with a spotter in a moment. But just that's how you get into the drop and do it. And then you're going to keep your legs straight and bend them at the very end. And then you'll land like this. Now with a spotter, you're going to go into the drop, jetpack drop, cross, and go between. Then your spotter is going to grab around your shoulders or your chest. And then when you do the drops, they're going to slow you down when you fall down. So it will be easier if you're just learning how to do it. The next drop is the Scorpio drop. You're going to start off in your one leg drop where you're going to go back, hook one leg instead, then pull up. You aren't going to pull up fully. You're going to pull up until the silk's next to you, like this. And then you're going to straddle your legs, lean back, and hook the leg that you wrapped up, which for me is my left leg, like this. Straighten it, grab it with your toe. You can bend your back leg and do whatever fancy pose you want. And then you're going to unhook your foot and go straight down like the last drop. And then you can do it with a spotter again. So you just go into it like normal. One leg, pull up, but out fully. Straddle and hook. And then the same thing as last time, just hold around your shoulders or armpits. And then you'll straighten your leg and go down slower. So how do you do the moves again? Invert, hook your legs, go into your jetpack drop by pulling up, cross in front, hike through, bring the silk up to around your hips or thighs, and just lean backwards and slip your leg out of it. And then hook one leg, pull up, but not fully. Straddle, hook, and release. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned how to do these 2 drops. When you're doing them, make sure your knot is at a good height. It's low enough that you aren't going to land way above the ground when you're practicing, but it's high enough that you aren't going to land on your head, you're going to land above it. Make sure to go to my Patreon, and if you want to give me a little extra support, you can join my fan club. We're adding a new thing every week. Yeah, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed.